This is the real big man here, people, yeah? This is the boss of the flavors, people, yeah? Make sure you got the boss flavors in your pan, people, yeah? In your pot, whatever you're cooking, make sure that you got the right flavors to complement your dish. You understand? A good vibes and 24-hour kitchen, the all-purpose seasoning mix. This is the one to complement your dish, people, yeah? The flavors jumping off of the chicken out of the pan into my face. Lovely. Yeah, man, it's time to almost be eating, people, yeah? But we're just gonna make this one here just rest and sit here for a little while, people, yeah? Big up yourself, you don't know what I've won. Outside are good vibes, Jamaican vibration, people, yeah? Every time. All right, everyone, so simple process. Look, to peel the cassava. Cassava is one of them ones where the skin actually grows in a circular motion. So the easiest way to peel it is to actually go around it in a circular motion. As you can see that the skin actually peels off. It's not like the yam, where with the yam we'll cut it going down in a straight line. The cassava is very much different. The cassava is... What you're wondering, what's the frying time, what's the cooking time? Well, a lot of people like chicken or their meat done. Some people like medium, some people like rare, some people like really well done. So right now I'm doing some well done fried chicken. We're going to stew it down in a shorter while. This was actually a whole chicken and I've chopped it up into different pieces. So as you can see here, we've got the breast. This is the chicken breast. This is one of my favorite parts. Add the chicken. We've also got the chicken back as well, which is there. Yeah, man, so we're going to take out this first batch that's already been fried up. And then we're going to add the next batch into the frying pan. And we're on the go, people, yeah? Our good vibes, 24-hour kitchen. Yeah, man, make sure that you get your seasoning. The seasoning is the one, people, yeah? Big up yourself. If you've already ordered your bottles, they should be coming out to you this week. Our good vibes. Yes, let's get the second batch in our pan. Our good vibes. Good vibes. Alright, so this is the stage that we're waiting for. The chicken's done to fry up. We've got the all-purpose seasoning on deck. We're just showing you today, everyone, that, yeah, the all-purpose seasoning is the one. This is what we use to fry up the chicken. We're going to sprinkle a little bit more of the all-purpose seasoning on the chicken now. And what we're going to do, we've got our pan on with a tiny bit of olive oil in there. Our good vibes. So what I've got here is some scallion, red onion, pepper, carrot, ginger, and I've also got some thyme here and a little bit more chopped vegetables, also some chow as well, everybody. So this will also implement the flavors of the chicken itself and also the all-purpose seasoning, because you don't know what I want, people. We cannot cook the food without using fresh, healthy ingredients, like things that have naturally grown and coming out of the earth as well, people, yeah? These are the things that enhance your flavors, build up your immune system, give your body all the right nutrients that it needs. And then here we go, we've got the all-purpose seasoning mix that will just bring that flavor off to perfection, people, yeah? So yeah, man, let's go through the next stages. We're just gonna chop up the rest of the ingredients, then put these ingredients there that's already chopped up into our pan. Our good vibes. Big up yourself. What we say? 24-hour kitchen, all-purpose seasoning mix, lemon, fresh lemon. This is what we use to clean our chicken today. Our good vibes. Yeah, man. Our good vibes. All right, everyone. So what I'm doing, I'm just gonna add some of the chopped ingredients into our oil. It's our good vibes. Just bring out them flavors that we're looking for, everybody. Yeah, man. Big up yourself. You don't know what I want, people, yeah? 24-hour kitchen. We're just creating that flavor that we're looking for. We're almost at a completion right now, everybody, yeah? A good vibes. All right, everyone. So what I'm doing now is just adding a little sprinkle of the all-purpose seasoning on the chicken to just finalize it. And I'm also, if you come over here as well, I'm just adding a little bit of the all-purpose seasoning on our chopped vegetables as well, which is a good vibe, and that's going to bring out the flavors that we're looking for. Add some thyme into the pot, the good vibes, and add the rest of the chopped vegetables and let that just go and simmer. So as you can see that these vegetables here, they're chopped really fine. And then the next vegetables that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna more or less chop them in the formation of like a little bit thicker chunks. You understand, people? Yeah, man, a good vibes. So the carrots are chopped up in the thicker chunks. And then the rest of the scallion, which I have here, I'm also gonna chop this a bit thicker as well. And then all I'm gonna do, everyone, is just add the chicken into the oil with the rest of the ingredients. I'm also using red pepper as well. Red pepper gives a natural sweet flavor to our food as well, everyone. A good vibe, big up yourself. Yeah, man, wherever you are right now, don't forget that you can order your seasoning, all-purpose seasoning. It will come out to you quick and fast. Standard bottles are going for £5, and then we have other sizes that start from £6, everybody, yeah, but standard bottles are going for £5. So red onion is really good for you as well. So we're using some red onion today. And we're also going to be using some chopped tomato as well. Good vibe. So it's a simple process. As you can see that you wash your meat, you clean your meat, and then all you need to do is just add a sprinkle of the all-purpose seasoning mix to whichever meat, fish or vegetable that you're going to be cooking. And you just let that do what it needs to do. And as you can see here, look, we're just going to add the rest of the chicken into the pan just like that. And just let everything just go and simmer until it comes to like a nice little softer process for the vegetables. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to boil the kettle, add a bit of water from the kettle and just let it just go on and cook down for about 20 minutes to 30 minutes, people, yeah? A good vibe. Big up yourself. I'm just going to add a squeeze of lemon to just bring out the flavour into the pot, people, yeah? A good vibes. Wow, look at that, everyone. So everything has gone into the pot. So what I'm showing you, that the all-purpose seasoning mix, whoa, just to stew down some chicken. Look, we've got the residues there in this pan. What we're gonna do, we're gonna boil the kettle, put the water in the kettle, spin it around, get all that residue out and pop it into our pan, people. Cover our pan and just let it just go and simmer and cook to a perfection today, people, yeah? Big up yourself. You don't know what I go on 24-hour kitchen. We're fully what? Active. Yes, everybody, so we're actually at a point where we want things to be added a little bit more time, added some more chopped tomatoes. We're just going to cover back the pan and just let it go and simmer down now for about 25 minutes and let everything just go and cook through to a nice soft chicken falling off the bone, people, yeah? A good vibes. All-purpose seasoning mix. This is the one that's carrying the flavors. Don't forget that you can order yours today, people, yeah? The email address will be going across the screen. You can send me an email, I'll reply to it. Quick and fast, a good vibes. All right, everyone, so it's a simple process how to make dumplings. So the flour's been kneaded and we've got our dough that's ready. As you can see in our pan, we've got some dumpling in there ready, but I'm gonna show you the simple process of how to make dumplings. So it's simple. Put it in your palm and then you use one thumb to basically just spin it around in a circular motion, and basically you use your hand that you're holding it in, which is your palm, to guide it around in a circular motion, everybody. You use your fingers to cup it and just create that circle ball that you're looking for, and then quick and fast we have ourselves some round dumplings, everybody. so it's a good vibes as well. Making Jamaican dumpling, spin it over, and there you go, you got your circular motion of dumpling people. Yeah, pick up yourself, you don't know what I've won. The other pan with the chicken, that's still on the way, I'll show you that in a second. Good vibe. So today we're going to be using the dumpling, and we're also going to be using the cassava, which is also a root vegetable, everybody. Yeah, this one is grown underneath the ground. A good vibe, and it carries a lot of starch, and it also carries that it's that filler to the meal. So if you're cooking chicken and we're not using rice or we're not using steamed vegetable, what we'll use as a filler to go with your meals, either dumpling, yam, cassava, sweet potato, Irish potato, any one of the root vegetables to complement your meal. So we're going to be using the cassava today, people. Yeah, big up yourself. Good vibes. All right, everyone, so simple process. Look, to peel the cassava is one of them ones where the skin actually grows in a circular motion. So the easiest way to peel it is to actually go around it in a circular motion. As you can see, that the skin actually peels off. It's not like the yam, where with the yam we'll cut it going down in a straight line. The cassava is very much different. The cassava's skin is set different. It's got a pinkish purplish color underneath the brown layer of the skin also, everybody. So it's a simple process to peel cassava. You just follow the process what I'm doing. Basically cut a line in the middle of it, and you just go around in a circular motion. And as you can see, that's the line that I started with there. And I'm just going to cut the end off. And the cassava now, I'll go back to the line where I started from, and I'll just split it in half. Cassava carries a vein in the middle of it, and then I'll just cut it into several different quarters or halves, as you can say, and then that's it. I'll literally cut this into our pot with the dumpling, everybody, and that's it. Good vibes. Big up yourself, everyone. So we're just waiting for the hard food, which is the dumpling and the cassava, to come to a completion. The chicken's already doing its own thing there. As you can see, are good vibes. Yes, everybody, so we're coming to that grand finale right now. So look at the chicken is cooking down nicely, everybody. The dumpling is starting to raise on top of the water. So when the dumpling starts to float, you know that they're almost cooked. So the cassava's in there boiling away, everybody. A good vibes, big up yourself. Thank you very much for staying tuned with this episode. I'll go on and show you the end result in a short while. Big up yourself. You don't know, so the all-purpose seasoning mix is now ready. It's on the market, everybody. Try and get yours as soon as possible. You don't know what I want. It's a food vibration, and we're there with the inside of the kitchen. Good vibes. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, 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 wow. Yes, everybody, so we've come to a halt. What's a halt? Yes, we're at that grand finale. The completion is here. Wow, look at the dumpling, them, man. Swimming on top of the water. The cassava is still got a little bit of way to go, but yeah, man, the pan's turned down to the very, very, very lowest. But the chicken itself, because the pan is hot already, it's still bubbling up, but we've turned off the chicken fire, people. Wow. 24-hour kitchen, we're there, people. We're at that completion. Yeah, man, stewed chicken, all-purpose seasoning mix. Don't forget to order yours, people. Yeah, thank you very much for staying tuned with this episode. Happy New Year to everybody that's watching on the channel. Yeah, man, big up yourself. Have a great day. Enjoy the rest of your moment and your time. Good vibes. This is the real big man here, people. Yeah, this is the boss. The boss of the Flavours, people. Yeah, make sure you got the boss Flavours in your pan, people. Yeah, in your pot. Whatever you're cooking, make sure that you got the right flavors to complement your dish. You understand? A good vibes and 24-hour kitchen, the all-purpose seasoning mix. This is the one to complement your dish, people, yeah. The flavors jumping off of the chicken out of the pan into my face. Lovely. Yeah, man. It's time to almost be eating, people, yeah. But we're just gonna make this one here. Just rest and sit here for a little while, people, yeah. Big up yourself. You don't know what I've won. Outside are good vibes. Jamaican vibration, people, yeah. Every time.